here you get to see this beautiful necklace. The first thing about this necklace, it's unique long design, locket design. It's very beautiful flower pendant, crafted with a mix of polki and kundan stones. You can see the combination of white, green, and pink stones, which give it a very rich and vibrant look. And on the top of the locket, there are these peacock motifs, which add the proper traditional and royal touch. Now, coming to the mala, you are getting a very elegant Rani style beads mala with Swarovski pearls, and along with that, green beads detailing, which enhances the entire piece and make it look even more premium. Also, this comes with a rich 22 karat gold finish, so overall, it gives the proper real gold style appearance as you can see here. And like you said, the Polki plus Kundan fusion is very much trending right now. So now talking about the price of this mala is priced at 4,300 only. So make sure to take a screenshot of this product and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly book it from our website. Now, talking about the design, this is very unique and giving such a rich and traditional look. So here are our ordering details: Instagram and website. WhatsApp, Instagram and website. This is the best mala. You can wear it for your weddings, festive occasions, or any statement styling you want to. Moving on to our another product. Moving on to our another product. Here we have this elegant jhumki as you can see here. If you are looking for something different and eye-catching, this is definitely a stand-up piece to go with. Look at the design of this jumki. Come, look at the design of this. Uh, you can see at the back we do have crew plus mechanism. It is very easy to wear and easy to style. So if you are looking for any lightweight jewelry, you can go with this one. Now talking about the hangings. Here we have beautiful green hangings. The green hangings which you are seeing are not the green. If you look at the top stud, it's very unique star styling design with a combination of white, green, and pink stones, which looks very vibrant. Around that, you also get a neat pearl bordering, and even inside, you can notice the individual pearl detailing, which adds a very premium touch for the jumki. Now, coming to the jumki part, this is a beautiful three-layer design, one layer with white kundan stones and two layers with pink kundan stone. So it gives a very full and rich look. And the bottom hangings are really very eye catching. You get white bunches plus green beads plus again pearl bunch, which creates a very nice flow and movement. Also, the beads used here are very high quality beads. So the color will not fade over the time easily. The entire product is 22 karat gold finished, and at the back we are providing screw plus clip mechanism, so it's both secure and comfortable to wear. Now, talking about the overlook, over overall look for this jhumki. This jhumki is very grand and layered detail, giving a proper bridal feel. And look at the combination of this jhumki. Now, talking about the most exciting part, that is price. This jhumki is priced 2550 only plus free shipping India. So make sure to take a screenshot of this jhumki and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly book it from website. This is perfect for your bridal wear weddings or any functions or heavy traditional outfits. If you are looking for a statement bridal jumki with full detailing, this is definitely one of the best pieces to go with. This is one of the best pieces to go with. Here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, and website. Come moving on to our another product. Here we have very beautiful bridal pendant. Look at the design of this pendant. If you look at the pendant, it's very detailed and elegant. You get a beautiful mango design crafted with green and white kundan stones. Along with that, there's also a flower touch at the bottom. You can see the pink stone detailing, which adds a nice pop up color of this pendant. Now, coming to the hangings, you're getting a mix of Swarovski pearls, white pearls, and green beads, which really enhances the look of this pendant and giving a royal and rich finishing. And one very useful feature here we get to see is on the back side you get an openable center hook so you can easily catch this to any of your beads mala pearl mala or any different chains. So it's not just a fixed piece, it's multi-purpose and flexible styling, multiple styling. This overall finish is a gold style, giving it a proper traditional look. Now, talking about the price of this pendant is priced at 2350. So make sure to take a screenshot of this product or send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly book it from our website. Now, talking about the overall look of this pendant, this is very elegant and traditional, and you can wear it for a versatile styling as well. Here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, and website. This pendant is very unique. You can wear it for your weddings, festive wear, and pairing. And best thing about this pendant is that you can pair with any of your different malas or chain if you have. If you want a classic long locket with multiple use styling, this is the best one to go with because this is really a very beautiful option. Now, moving on to the another product. Here we have this very unique style jhumki. Coming to the this jhumki, here we get to see a very neat flower stud design at the top of the jhumki, beautifully crafted with pink kundan stones, giving a soft and elegant look. Right above that, there's a single pearl detail on the top, as you can see here, which is adding a nice highlight of the whole jhumki. And around the stud, you also get to see a pearl bordering, which makes the whole design look even more rich and refined. Now, coming to the jhumki portion, it comes in the combination of white, pink, and kundan stones. So it's look very balanced, rich, and very traditional. And at the bottom hangings, you are getting white pearls followed by green beads, which gives the perfect traditional finish and movement. The green beads which you are seeing over here are real beads, real strawberry beads. So the entire piece comes with 22 gold finish, and at the back we are providing a screw mechanism so it's very secure and comfortable while you are wearing. So now talking about the overall look of this jhumki looks very simple but giving a traditional touch. Now talking about the price of this jhumki is priced at 1700 plus free shipping India. So make sure to take a screenshot of this jhumki and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly purchase it from our website. This jhumki is perfect for your weddings, festive wear, or for your ethnic styling. Here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, website dulanjewels.com. If you are looking for a graceful jhumki with simple detailing, this is a really beautiful option to go with. Now, moving on to our another product, here we have something very rich, very traditional, and very striking, as you can see here. This is very beautiful Jadao Kundan mango plus Botumala necklace. If you look at this piece, it has the proper traditional South Indian bridal feel. It's giving us such a bridal feel. Starting with the bottom locket, you can see the beautiful flower plus mango design combination, crafted with red kundan stones, giving that bold and festive look. And the bottom hangings come with pearls and green beads, which is adding a nice contrast and movement of this whole. Now, moving upwards, you get to see this very elegant Bottu style detailing and again mango motifs on the top, which continues the traditional theme. So, overall, it's a multi layer design, a mix of mango haram plus Bottumala, which makes it look very grand and unique. This is one of those pieces which instantly give a complete bridal present. So if you are someone looking for heavy necklace, this is the best one to go with. So now talking about the overall look of this product, this giving such a traditional and bold look, and look at the layered malas, it's giving us such a rich bridal feel when you look at this. Now, talking about the price for this product is priced at 14,000 only plus free shipping India. So make sure to take a screenshot of this product and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly purchase it from our website. So, talking about this overall look for this, you can match it with your any of your outfits. You can wear it for your weddings, festive occasions, or with any heavy traditional outfits. If you are looking for a proper traditional statement necklace, something that stands out instantly, this is a perfect choice to go with. Moving on to the another product, here we have very elegant bridal kundan plus polki necklace. Just look at the necklace. If you look at the top layer, you can see a very nice combination of polki stones as well as kundan stones, which gives a very rich and balanced shine. And just below that, you get a beautiful floral design, which enhancing the overall look and makes it more eye-catching. Now, coming to the highlight, the bottom hangings. Just look at the hangings here. You're getting a mix of white beads, pumpkin beads, and very unique square bead drops. So it's make giving such a traditional look, which gives a different and stylish finish to the necklace. Also, on the top side, you can see a neat pearl bordering overall, which is adding extra softness and premium touch. The entire piece comes with a 22 karat gold finish, so it gives a proper real gold style appearance. So, talking about the overall look for this is giving such a traditional and rich vibe with golden look. Now, talking about the price for this product is priced at 7400 only. So make sure to take a screenshot of this product and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly purchase this product from our website. This piece is perfect for your weddings, festive occasions, and for any statement styling. This is the best one to go with. Before it's sold out, make sure to book this product. If you're looking for something different but with a premium finish, this is definitely a very beautiful option to go with. So here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, and website dulanswealth.com. Moving on to our another product, here we get to see very amazing product. So just look at this product. Here we have a very amazing Jadao Kundan necklace presenting to you guys. Just look at this necklace. This piece is one of those instant wow designs. Very gorgeous, very eye-catching, and gives a proper real gold inspired feel. If you look at the stone combination, you get a beautiful mix of ruby, pink, and white kundan stones, which really dominate the look. and make the necklace even look more beautiful and stand out. The design is very clean and balanced and not too heavy, but still gives that rich and premium appearance. And coming to the bottom hangings, you are getting this rice pearl drops, which add a very elegant movement and finishing touch, this giving very traditional look. The entire necklace comes with a 22 carat gold finish. So overall, it gives the proper real gold style look. This necklace is very wow. Just look at the design. Now, talking about the price of this product is priced at 6,600 only. So make sure to take a screenshot of this make sure to take a screenshot of this product and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly book it from our website. So, talking about the overall look, this necklace is very gorgeous, rich, elegant, and real gold inspired finish. This would be perfect for your wedding, festive occasions, and for any of your statement styling. Here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, and website dulanjewels.com. Moving on to the another product, here we have very beautiful gold inspired Jadau Kundan necklace. This is one of This is one of those most demanded designs because it's giving a real gold jewelry feel. Just look at the overall design of this necklace. If you look at the bottom locket, you get a very beautiful multicolor stone design, which makes the piece look even more vibrant and rich feeling. On the top side, there is a neat pearl bordering which adds a soft and premium touch to the necklace. And coming to the bottom you hangings, you are getting a mix of white, gold, and green beads, which enhancing the entire look of this necklace and giving us such a royal finishing. The overall design is very balanced, not too heavy, but still very eye catching and elegant. Just look at the overall piece. It's giving such a look, vibrant and traditional look. So this is the best one to go with. So you can wear this beautiful necklace with your saris, lehengas, or for any of your small functions. This necklace is very eye catchy. So make sure to book at earliest. Here are our Here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, and website dulanjewels.com. Moving on to the another product, here we have very beautiful bridal style Ganesh locket, as you can see over here. Just look at the center. Here you can see a very elegant Ganesh design, which gives the proper traditional and royal feel. This is on the top side, there is a flower stonework design, and along with that, a neat pearl detailing, which adds a soft finish to the whole locket. Now, coming to the bottom hangings, you get to see a very beautiful combination of white pearls, green beads, and rice pearls. This locket giving us such a South Indian traditional vibe overall, which really enhances the look and give the nice movement. And one very useful feature here is on the back side, you get to you get an openable hook so you can easily attach to your bead mala, pearl mala, or any of your different chains. So it's very easy to wear. So So it's not just a locket, it's a versatile styling piece. Now, talking about the price of this product, this locket is priced at 1700 only. So make sure to take a screenshot of this product and send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly purchase it from our website. Talking about the overall look for this locket, this locket is giving such a traditional and elegant vibe. Just look at the Ganesh design at the center. It's giving such a royal South Indian vibe. So this is very perfect for weddings, festive wear, or pairing with any malas. So best part about this locket is that you can wear it with any of your malas or chain you have. If you are looking for a classic bridal locket with flexible styling, this is really a beautiful option to go with. So here are our ordering details. Moving on to the another product. Here we have one more beautiful peacock design locket. If you look at the center, you can see the beautifully crafted floral design with very fine detailing. Just look at the overall design of the locket. Now, coming to the bottom, here we have green beads and white pearls. Now, talking about the green beads which you are seeing here are real beads. So, these are real beads. Now, talking about the back side, here we have openable hooks. So, you can wear it with any of your malas or chains. So, best part about this locket is that you can wear it with any of your chain or malas. Now, talking about the overall look of this locket is this locket is giving very traditional vibe overall. Now, you can see at the top the pearl detailing at the top, which is making the locket even more beautiful. So, it's not just beautiful, it is also very versatile to use. So, so the personally I feel the best part about this kind of lockets are that you can wear it with any of your malas or any of your chains. Talking about the overall look of this locket, this is very traditional and giving you such a rich finishing. So this is perfect for your puja and festive wear. The overall locket giving you such a traditional vibe. You can this locket for you can match this locket with any of your functions like puja, festive wear, and traditional outfits. Moving on to our another product. Here we have very beautiful designer polki necklace with a Victorian finish. If you look at the center, you get a very beautiful emerald stone surrounded with CZ and polki stones, which gives a very premium shine. Now, moving upwards, you can see this big polki stones, and in between, there are ruby essence, which add a rich color contrast. And on the top side, there are neat circular placements of CZs and polki stones, which complete the whole Victorian style look. The design is very well structured, it's look grand, but still very elegant and balanced. And the best part, this comes with a complete set. You get a matching earrings. Just look at the earrings of this set with polki stud on top with a green stone and polki detailing at the bottom. So your look is full coordinated in one. Just look at the overall stones of this necklace, giving us such a traditional look. And look at the shine of this. This is giving a very grand look. So this is the best one to go with for your bridal statement piece. So make sure to take So make sure to take a screenshot of this product or send it us on WhatsApp, or you can directly purchase it from our website. So now talking about the price of this product. This product is priced at 7500 only. So make sure you are not missing out this elegant product. Now talking about the overall look of this product. So this product is for your receptions and weddings, and you can match with your heavy outfit stylings. If you're looking for a premium polki necklace with a designer feel, I personally feel that this is a definitely a top choice to go with. So here are our that's it for today live. Thank you everyone. So here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, and website dulhanswells.com. Thank you.